Hi everyone. So we are going to discuss the question from CSIR NET June 2019 and booklet code is E and question number is 74. So this question is from linear algebra, basic question for Li set, LD set or spanning set. So given question is Px be a polynomial of degree n which is a non-constant polynomial and degree is at least 1, and Qx is integral of this polynomial Px which is 0 to x integral, and Rx is the derivative of this polynomial, and V is a vector space of all polynomial with real coefficient in one variable x. Then we have to identify whether this Q and R are linearly independent vectors in V, and second option we have to identify whether they are linearly dependent vectors in V, or third option whether x to the power n is in spanning set of Q and R, and fourth option whether x to the power n plus 1 is in spanning set of Q and R. So this is basic question. So since Px is a polynomial of degree n, so Px is a naught plus a1x plus an xn. So definitely degree of Q is n plus 1. Since Qx is integral of Px, so degree of Q is exactly n plus 1, and degree of R is n minus 1. Since R is a derivative of P, so the polynomial Q is of degree n plus 1, polynomial R is degree n minus 1. So definitely they are linearly independent vectors in Rx. So your first option is true, second option is false. Now come to third and fourth option. Third option, they are asking that x to the power n is a linear combination of this polynomial Q and R. Since Q and R are polynomial of degree n plus 1 and n minus 1, so this does not imply x to the power n is linear combination of these two polynomials. For example, if we will take n equal to 2 and consider a polynomial Px which is simply 1 plus x square. Simple example. So this Px is a non-constant polynomial, degree is at least 1, then Qx must be x plus 1 by 3 x cube, and Rx is just derivative of this which is 2 times x. If you will write down the linear combination of Q and R, that is alpha into Q plus beta into R, so you will get alpha into x plus 1 by 3 x cube plus beta time 2 of x, that is alpha plus 2 times beta of x plus 1 by 3 times alpha of x cube. Now if you will take third option, so n equal to 2, so third option is x square should be linear combination of this Q and R, that is this quantity should be equal to x square, which is not possible since left hand side there is no term of x square and right hand side there is a term of x square. So x square is not linear combination of any these two polynomial, hence option third definitely false. Similarly, if you will take another example, say P of x is x plus x square. Again I am taking n equal to 2 and Px is a non-constant polynomial of degree at least 1. Then again Qx is 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by 3 x cube, and Rx is simply derivative of this polynomial which is 1 plus 2x. Then the linear combination of these two polynomial alpha time alpha time Q of x plus beta time R of x, which is equal to alpha time 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by 3 x cube plus beta time 1 plus 2x, which is same as beta plus coefficient of x is 2 times beta x plus coefficient of x square is 1 by 2 times alpha of x square plus coefficient of x cube 1 by 3 alpha of x cube. Now fourth option, x to the power n plus 1 is a linear combination of or in spanning set of Q and R. If x to the power n plus 1 where n is 2, So that is x cube is in spanning set of q and r. So this quantity should be equal to x cube. So this implies beta equal to 0, coefficient of x and this one, and from this alpha equal to 0, and from this alpha equal to 3. So this is again contradiction. So hence x cube is again not linear combination of q and r. So your fourth option is again incorrect. So your first option is correct and remaining all three options are incorrect. Hence answer is first option only.